Hey, hey guys, today I'm sick. I hate it. But I'm just gonna show you this weird stuff I found in an app I got last night. So, start. So as you can see here, this stuff looks like human flesh in a kid's game. Turn the volume up. That does not sound innocent. This is like guts. This is poop because kids love that humor. What is this? And then there's this stupid ad for like these weird games that have like really awful CG. That even I could do better CG, and I don't even know how to do CG. So, yeah, you go into these magical slime stuffs. Listen, do you hear a noise? There's this one, which is louder. Weird noise. And then, like, some of these sound like a person getting murdered. Absolutely gross. This one just sounds like a candy wrapper crinkling. Then there's just these innocent ones. You know, you can make your own stuff. You know. Yeah. Pretty simple. Yeah, guys, I'm gonna sneeze, so goodbye, kiddos. Also, I'm not a parent. I'm just a little girl that's on YouTube. Bye.